Hello everybody, this is Sus Kalela. I am going to go through a intermediate, advanced, quick intermediate tutorial. So this is part of my end of the summer dreamy choreography that I'm offering dancers. Find me on my website listed below and let's get to it. Alright, so today we are going to be learning how to do a smooth movement on top of drops. So we are going to be doing a Maya. You should already know that. And a Maya is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the mirror, if you look this way, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you know how to do a Maya, you can follow along with this video. And we are going to be doing a whole bunch of drops with this combo. So it's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Really roll that out, that Maya. And then while we're way out here, so this is neutral. I'm just standing with my knees bent, but I want to take my hip all the way to here. So right now I'm here, I'm going to put my hand here, and I want to really swing my Maya, my right hip to touch my hand. So I'm going to do my movement. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and look at that, look at that. From here, we're going to do drops. So make sure all your weight is on your left knee, your left leg, and we're going to go drop, 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 and then fast Maya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's do that again. Take a deep breath, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hand here. We're going to do our Maya basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then drop, drop, drop. Make sure it's all the way on that nice side. The drop, drop, drop. Do a whole Maya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try the left side. Here you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So neutral, bend those knees. Let's get that Maya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get all that hip down. Then drop. 5, 6, 7, 8. And hold Maya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do back to the right. Woo! Yep, that sure takes some time. That sure takes some cardio. So let's go ahead and do some music to this. And if you are intermediate and advanced dancer, you could just follow along with this video and add those drops. And let's put on some music that is part of my dreamy choreography. You guys should join it, learn some new movements. Here we go. Pose, get into position. Maya, drop, 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 and then hold Maya, drop, other side, Maya, drop, 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 faster Maya, 1, 2, 3, 4, again, Maya, drop, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, Maya, other side, drop, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, Maya, Maya, stop, 1, 2, 3, 4, and complete the Maya, drop with a drop, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Maya. Yeah. All right. So this song is part of my choreography with the Dreamy End of Summer Dreamy series. I have a whole bunch of other beautiful, graceful, advanced, intermediate movements to the rest of the song. If you would like to learn it, sign up on my website at Lands of Roses dance.com, subscribe, and there will be another part of this choreography that is free. And if you want to learn the whole choreography, take classes with me online and in person. I am offering this, and there's going to be a performance next spring and summer, so you could perform this whole choreography. So I'll tell you a secret, my graceful movement in this choreography is American Tango. So you learn a whole new technique, and if you're a belly dancer and you want to learn new dance movements, come find me, and I hope you guys enjoy this choreography. Let's go ahead and dance it all together.